Hey guys, Tashdile everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you super easy and delicious recipe mixed vegetable with chicken wings. So I hope you guys will like this video and let's get started how to make. So first I'm going to boil my tomato. So it's not necessary, you can chop directly and fry. So here I like to peel my tomato skin. For this you need to cut slightly tomato skin, and after that just boil the water and add pinch of salt and boil for a few minutes. Next, take out the all tomato and put in cold water. It will help to easily remove your tomato skin. After that, finally chop the all tomato. Next, add the cooking oil and heat it the oil. After that, I'm going to add garlic and chili. The chili is not necessary. If you don't like spicy, you can skip the chili. Next, I'm going to add my tomato paste. Mix them well and add just a little bit salt. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of water and cover and just cook for a few minutes. After start to boil the water, I'm going to add my chicken wings and potato. Cover and let them cook properly. Next, I'm going to add 3 teaspoons flour and 1 egg and just pinch of salt and add water slowly and make a batter. So this is optionally. If you like, you can make like this. If you don't like, you can skip the batter and you can make only chicken and vegetable. Now it's time to add sauce. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cooking oil. After that, I'm going to add my beans. Now I'm going to add my batter. First, slowly add to pulling the batter. If you don't have chopstick, you can go with spoon. Now boil for 2-3 minutes. After that, it's ready to serve. In this recipe, you can go with steam bun your rice. Whatever you like, you can go with that. So this is my final result, guys. If you like this recipe, do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and enjoy my homemade recipe. Thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.